Hello friends, hopes you all are doing well. So finally we had reached to the Ooty. If you had not seen the Ooty ride video, I had given the link in the description. Kindly go through it. It is also best video. And now we are at Chocolate Museum. It is one of the attraction in Ooty. So we'll take a tour of Chocolate Museum. So please watch the video completely.
Shall I explain you?
Yeah, please. Please start.
This is cocoa fruit, they call it as cocoa pod. It takes 3 months to get matured. If you cut the matured fruit, inside pulp will be there, inside the pulp cocoa bean will be there.
Okay.
This cocoa bean is the main source of chocolate. In every fruit like this, there will be around 30 to 50 cocoa beans.
Okay.
Separating this bean from the pulp is called fermentation.
Fermentation.
They'll remove the shell and store the pulp coated bean in such a
Okay.
box. And it will be covered with a banana leaf. At the bottom of this box, there will be holes so that the pulp will be dried, only bean will be staying. This process takes around 6 to 8 days. This is natural fermentation.
Okay.
After fermentation, bean will be a little sticky, so they will do sun drying.
Okay.
The actual color of the cocoa bean is purple. After perfect sun drying, it will change into reddish brown.
Okay.
These are the work of farmers. After this, it will be transported to the factory.
Okay.
And in factory, they will select the bean size based and color wise. It will be hand selected.
Okay.
This is chocolate model of Milky Heritage Building.
This stone building.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also made out of chocolate only?
This is coated with chocolate.
Dress only. Okay.
Yeah. This is ancient cocoa bean roasting method.
Okay.
In 1500 BC, Mayan people discovered the cocoa fruit. They took the bean, roasted in such method, made it as powder, mixed with water, and drank as healthy drink. It was too bitter, so they added flavors like honey, chili, sea salt, and pepper. And in 1847, Swiss people converted chocolate into bars.
Okay.
This is modern roasting method.
Okay.
Hand selected bean will be roasted in this around 105 to 120 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
After roasting, they will do winnowing, cleaning process.
Okay.
And then the skin will be peeled off and the bean looks like this.
Okay, these are all byproducts. The products coming out.
This is the actual bean.
Okay.
This is the skin.
Okay, this is
It's
the roasted
waste.
one.
Yeah, after roasting.
Okay, that is husk removed.
Yeah.
Then cocoa
The
nibs.
bean will be crushed and become cocoa nibs.
Okay.
It will be semi-grind, will get cocoa mass.
Okay.
This will be under hydraulic press, so the outcome will be the cocoa butter and the cocoa powder.
Okay.
These are the byproducts, this both.
Okay, and this all the ingredients used to make a
Today
chocolate.
they'll add sugar and milk powder.
Okay.
This
In
flour
dark
makes-
chocolate, you'll add the sugars. Means sugar will be there.
Sugar will be less.
Okay. Like it depends on percentage of chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
This cocoa butter is a colorless liquid fat. Just
Okay.
the coconut oil.
Okay.
When it's in liquid state, it will be colorless.
Okay.
If the temperature is too high, little high.
I heard this cocoa butter will melt at room temperature, like our body temperature.
No.
Like 37 degrees Celsius, it will get more melted.
Yeah. Ooty's temperature is around
Less.
13 to 21.
So it will not get melted.
Yeah.
Right.
It's not only used in chocolates, it's even used in pharma and it's in cosmetic industry.
Okay.
Products like Vaseline and all, it will be present. Good for
Okay.
skin. This is old-fashioned conch.
Okay.
To blend the normal chocolate, it takes 8 hours.
Okay.
To blend the fine chocolate, it takes 90 hours, nearly
Okay.
4 days. Because the particles will become too minute and the chocolate will be too soft. Just
Okay.
like the difference between normal dairy milk and the dairy milk silk. Chocolate, there are 3 types: dark chocolate, white chocolate, and milk chocolate.
Okay.
Dark chocolate, the milk content won't be there. Sugar level will be less.
Okay.
Cocoa level will be around 45 to 70%. It's good for health, cures headache, controls blood pressure, manages the weight.
Okay.
No diabetic patients can eat it, but little bitter in taste.
Huh.
And in white chocolate, cocoa powder won't be there. Only cocoa butter, milk powder,
Okay.
and sugar will be there, so it's in white color. And in milk chocolate, all the 4 ingredients will be added evenly. It contains
Okay.
25% of cocoa. These are made of chocolate. Sales step is there.
Oh. This is for grinding.
Yeah, this is from blending.
Okay. No, I think. Okay, this is for blending.
Yeah. It's a melange.
Okay, branch.
Same like grinder, but
Okay.
its motor is more powerful.
Okay.
A normal grinder can't run for 4 days
Huh.
continuously.
It will run for 4 days.
Yeah.
Okay. It is you will supply this kind of things.
No, we purchase like this.
Okay. Okay.
It's a small model.
Okay. Thank you. This is also chocolate,
It's coated with chocolate.
coated with chocolate.
Only those are chocolate.
Okay.